right, so as I said, no holes pre-drilled for the backrest here. We have a bolt here, here, here. They are nylocks. Unfortunately, I just now realized they did not come with washers. That's okay, we can go ahead and install this stuff still, but I will come back later on and slap washers in here. So, yeah. So, 3 bolts, 3 holes. It's gonna go ahead and mount up, something like that, and very cool. All right, so on inspection, trying to line everything up, I recognize that we have some divots here and in the corners as references as to where to mount the seat back. I'm gonna go ahead and drill the first one and then make sure that everything's lining up good, and then drill the other 2. All right, all 3 holes drilled, nice and centered. Need to step up a little bit bigger to get these bolts through and go from there. Bam! Wow, that lines up really, really good. Like, perfect. Wow, okay. I'm actually very impressed with how even that is lined up, right to left there. Now keep in mind, this is supposed to sit up above like this. There are 3 different rubber kind of vibration dampers to keep this kind of isolated from the tour pack. You see here how it flexes. That's not actually the lid flexing at all. That's actually some vibration dampening that they've got, which I actually really, really can appreciate. It's gonna leave the box paint looking good, keep the seat back looking good, and add some more passenger comfort. So pop this open, and the thing that I didn't like was that we don't have washers, but we'll get some tomorrow. All right, so supplied hardware from these guys. The nut size is a 1/2 inch. All right, so we've got the seat back bolted up nice and sturdy. Looks really good, really nicely centered. Very happy with that. Thoroughly impressed, to be honest.